In a quaint village, whispers of a peculiar legend spread. They say hiccups are caused by spirits trying to communicate. One night, a young girl named Mia experienced relentless hiccups. Desperate, she visited the village elder, who revealed a secret. Hiccups were messages from ancestors. Maya, intrigued, listened closely. Suddenly, a voice emerged, guiding her to a hidden family heirloom buried in her garden. Shocked, she unearthed a chest filled with ancient treasures. The hiccups ceased, leaving Mia in awe. Was it coincidence or ancestral magic? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.